Okay, skinheads, get up, get set. Grab your bag, your kit, and get fit. We're all going for a ride now. We're going on the Skinhead Train. All on board, get ready, here we go. That's it. You're fit now. No sitting, please. Okay, on your feet, move around, don't sit there now. Doing the swing, I say. Do your own thing. Get your mama, your sister, your father, or your brother. Even the dog too, it don't matter. Come on now. Get on board and do your story. Woo! They say right on. We'll be riding on to see Mama Popcorn. Come on, doing your thing. And the thing called swing, baby. This is the Skinhead Train. If you ain't a skinhead, then get off somewhere and have a cough. You got to be a skinhead, or else, man, it's just like you're dead. We're gonna make our first stop, skinheads. That's it, everybody do their thing. Okay, now you're free. Like me. Woo! Okay, skinheads, you have your time. Now back in line. All on board, come on. That's it. No stalling, I tell you. Now we're doing it. Have a fling, I tell you. You can do the shing-a-ling if you wanna. This is the Skinhead Train.